Want to give your child freedom while keeping your spending in check? Well, here's how to set up spending limits on their Greenlight card. Open the Greenlight app and go to your parent dashboard. Tap your child's profile, then hit the spending tile to view their activity and controls. Scroll down to spend controls and tap add a spend control. You can choose a specific store or spending category like dining or games, then set a limit you're comfortable with. To enforce it strictly, switch pull over edges from spin anywhere to off. This means if they try to go cover, I mean over, my bad, I said cover, but yeah, they try to go over the card that gets declined at that store or category. So more flexibility, leave that toggle on. So any overspend automatically comes from their general balance instead of getting declined. Once you have it set it up, so your child can shop freely within the limits you set, and you'll receive real-time notifications with every transaction. That's it. It's really smart, stress-free spending with total peace of mind. And also, it doesn't let your child go ahead and just wash all your money down the drain. But yeah, if this helped, well, hit like, drop questions in the comments, and subscribe for more family finance guides. Thank you for watching. Come back with the new video. Until then, I'll see you.